Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today video about the VirtualBox and Oracle VM VirtualBox is what is that. So as you can see, it's a software and you can use this Wikipedia page for know about the more about VirtualBox, and basically this is a software users to allow extend their existing computer to run multiple operating systems. So it including Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and Linux, also Oracle Solaris as well. And we can use those OS at the same time because of this VirtualBox. So how to download it? You can search it VirtualBox, download VirtualBox, download or VirtualBox download anyway, and you will get a link like this. I used first one and you will redirect to the download VirtualBox page, and this download page you can see the VirtualBox 7.0.10 platform packages link available, and you need to select the relevant link for your OS, and I'm using Windows computer OS for my Windows OS for my computer. In that case, I will select Windows host. After you download your package, it will appear in VirtualBox and the version with name, and it will take a while when it download. So after you download it, it will appear in your downloading folder or the place you selected, and here in the desktop I create a shortcut for show to you, and when you double click on it, you will get messages always you get from your computer when you try to download and install some softwares. And after you open this setup folder, and this file asks to go next and next, also the next and yes. After your next steps and yes steps done, you can give your installation command, and you need to wait while to go on this process, and your shortcut will automatically creating your desktop. If not, you can find it and pin it to start, and after you get start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation with this completed message, you can finish and it will automatically open like this. I want to mention you something. You are not getting this Windows 10 and Ubuntu these two messages and these things because I already created these shortcuts and the path, so that's why these icon and the names you can see. But when you first time open your VirtualBox, there aren't any kind of things under these tools. So to get, you need to go first new, and you will get virtual machine name and operating system form, and it can be different than this for your computer, but check whether you get this under this topic. So you need to give your virtual machine and name to name and type and version, also next, and you can leave it like this or change, and create a virtual hard disk now and next, and you can finish. After you give finish, your Windows 10, this 64 voice will open and your system, display, storage, audio, network, these details will appear here. For the Ubuntu, you need to do the same thing, new, and give name as Ubuntu and type for Ubuntu to Linux and version Ubuntu 64, and you need to go the next like previous time. After that, you need to change some settings and go to settings and go to the advanced, and you need to share clipboard as a bidirectional. Also drag and drop also need to bidirectional, and for other things keep it please as system. These things are leave as it is. And for the controller IDE, you need to go to this place and it will show you that node is available, and you need to add your file in here. After you download Ubuntu software, I will show you it in my next video. And after you add your Ubuntu here, it will appear like this. For the other things, it no need to change anything, and you can give OK. So that's all about the VirtualBox.